Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the online support program. I'm Razia Ali, your computer science teacher. After this video lecture, chapter number 6, computer security and ethics will be closed. So these are the last topics which we are going to discuss from chapter number 6. The topics are computer ethics, ethical use of computer, areas of computer ethics, information accuracy. It includes information ownership and intellectual rights, intellectual property, software piracy, information privacy, internet and privacy. Let's start with the first topic. The first topic is computer ethics. Actually, what is computer ethics? Computer ethics means an acceptable behavior for using computer technology. It is a code of behavior for moral and social issues while using computer technology, particularly internet. Computer users should not be dishonest, they should be honest, respect the rights of others on the internet, and obey laws that apply to online behavior. We should not use bad language while chatting and social networking. We need to respect others' views and should not criticize people. We should not pretend as someone else and fool others. We should not download copyrighted materials such as music, movies. People should not do something on internet that is morally objectionable or illegal. So we have to take care of all these things while using computer. Hope you understand what is computer ethics. The second point is ethical use of computer. While using the computer, we have to take care of all these points. Computer users should not be used to harm other people. Computer should not be used. Do not use computer to steal others' information. Do not access files or resources without the permission of owner. Do not copy copyrighted softwares without the author's permission. What is copyrighted softwares? We will discuss it further. Making illegal copy of the software is known as making illegal copy of softwares. Always respect copyright laws and policies. Copyrighted software, original softwares. Respect the privacy of others just as you expect the same from others. Use internet ethically. Complain against illegal activity if found. Users are responsible for safeguarding their user ID and password. Do not hack others' computer or account. So we have to take care of all these things while using the computer. Next topic is areas of computer ethics. The first area of computer ethics is information accuracy. While uploading the information, we have to be sure that information is correct, not wrong. So information accuracy is information stored on computer must be accurate, up to date and complete. If wrong information is entered in computer, it can be very harmful. People may suffer because of inaccurate information stored on computer. For example, a credit card holder may be wrongly blacklisted if wrong information is entered into the computer. So while entering the information in computer, we have to check that information should be correct. The second area of ethical computer ethics is information ownership and intellectual rights. So for example, if a programmer makes a program or a software, so he is the owner of that program or software. So this is known as information ownership, and all rights goes to the programmer which makes the software. So he has the intellectual rights, or he is the actual owner of that software. Information ownership means person who creates ideas in any form are the actual owner. Ideas may be in the form of poems, plays, novels, films, drawing, paintings, or software. Intellectual rights protect a creative work from unauthorized use of other people and allow creators to benefit financially from their work. So let's discuss another topic area which is included in areas of computer ethics, that is intellectual property. Intellectual property is a valuable asset that comes from mind, from instance, invention, or intellectual property. The same is true of literacy, work, paintings, logos, names, and design. If the ideas have commercial value, then they are business intellectual property. So the property which is related to the person, so he has the intellectual right, and it is the intellectual property of that person. What software piracy? Another area of computer ethics is software piracy. What is software piracy? One is original CD, that is known as copyrighted software, and one is pirated CD. If a person makes the illegal copy of software, that is known as pirated CD. The original is copyrighted software, and the copied software is known as pirated software. So making illegal copies of software is against the law of ethics. So we do not need to make illegal copy of the softwares. So that is wrong. The next point is in areas of computer ethics, information privacy. What is information privacy? Information privacy refers to an individual rights to the privacy of personal information. In modern information age, people are concerned that computers may be taking away their privacy. The Data Protection Act law protects the rights of the individual against misuse of personal information by organization. Organizations that hold the information should not allow unauthorized people to have access to information or disclose it to anyone outside the organization. So information should be kept private. The next topic is internet and privacy. What is internet and privacy? People who use internet are worried that it may be keeping their privacy not secure. Internet users post their personal information such as full name, date, and so on, all their information on the web, and it stays there. Internet users enter personal information in websites to sign up or register for services without realizing that this may lead to invasions of privacy. This information can be accessed by hackers and they can use it for the wrong purpose. Therefore, people are concerned about their privacy, their information on internet, and it is actually not secure in internet. So you have assignment, do it in your copies. The first question is, what is meant by the information privacy? Your information is your information, so that's private. So you have to write down information privacy, the definition. Give 3 drawbacks of software piracy. There's difference between privacy and piracy. Privacy means private, piracy means making illegal copy of the software, making illegal copy of copyrighted software. Drawbacks means flaws of the software piracy. Side effects. What types of problems may be faced in if computer users do not comply with moral guidelines of the computer ethics? If computer users do not use the ethical laws, if follow the ethical laws, so what will happen? So you have to write this. Define computer ethics and write some important moral guidelines for ethical use of computer technology. So you have to do all these questions in your copies. You can take help from this site and from your book. So I hope you will do it. Thank you.